How to fix Roblox screen stuck while installing or updating. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Starting off, to fix this issue, it will take a couple of steps. In the search bar, search for run. Now type in %local app data % and tap on OK. Click on any of it and select on R alphabet in your keyboard. You need to navigate to the versions option. In here, you should find Roblox Studio Installer. Just click on it. After which, the installation will be initiated once again, fixing the screen stuck issue. However, if this process does not help, follow the alternative one. In here, all you have to do is right-click on either of your Roblox player or studio. Head over to Open File Location. Again, navigate to Versions and initiate your installer. Now, if this does not help, follow the next step. In the search bar, search for Control Panel. Under Programs, you will see the option of Uninstall a program. You need to click on it. Again, click on any of it and tap on R. Select on your Roblox player and select on Uninstall at the top. Once your Roblox is uninstalled, again search for Run in the search bar. This time, type in %temp %. We will have to clear off the cache that Roblox left behind. Just click on this file and tap on the trash can to delete the cache built up. After which, finally you can open up your Microsoft Store or a preferred browser to search for Roblox Downloader. In the case of Microsoft Store, all you need to do is just search for Roblox at the top. Then select on Roblox. Click on the Get option to download in your PC. And I bet the issue of your screen stuck will be resolved. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.